Tutorial 11 in CATIA for beginners. In this tutorial we're going to talk about the Spline, the first tool for advanced sketching, and it is quite require some attention while using the Spline tool. So let's start a sketch. Choose any plane and to go to the Spline, go insert profile and Spline. You have two types of spline and connect, or you can reach it here from this menu, spline. So let's choose a spline and pick 3 points. So now it's kind of tricky to, you just press escape. It's kind of tricky to get your accurate shape of the spline. So there are two ways to get your required shape of the spline. You might be a designer and you are drawing your sketches and you have a scan picture for your drawing and you are following that drawing or by the spline, or you are an engineer and have your dimensions and equations to reach the required spline. So now here we have a spline, and as you see it contains many points as you are choosing them, and each point can be moved freely. Even you can assign some dimensions between the points, and first last point, for example, we can add 400. Also the spline, you can choose a point and right click, choose close spline, so you are closing your spline. And you can also make a dimension between this spline and let's delete this one. We can make a distance between two splines. Let's add 140. Even you can draw some line to be intersecting with the spline. Now let's try to use the second type of spline, the connect. To use the connect, just first make 2 lines, first line and second line, and let's choose the connect. Now we're going to create a spline connecting these 2 lines.